Angels work harmoniously. Perfect order characterizes all their steps. The more we imitate these angels, the more successful they are in working in our behalf. When you're disorderly, irregular, disorganization, the prophet of God says never, and then repeats it, never are they authorized to endorse it. You don't have a system of order. It's an insult. And if you notice, many people in this final generation are starting to treat God like order doesn't matter. You could scream to the top of your lungs. You could pray any kind of way. You can run around. Brothers and sisters, order is important. God is a holy God. For the majority of us in this room, He's not telling us anything new. He's just showing us how we have not been listening.